Hello everyone. So welcome to the JEE Main 2019 solution of mathematics paper, and today we are going to talk about 12th January morning shift paper of mathematics. So let's begin with the first question of it, which is from trigonometry, a quite simple one. It says the maximum value of 3 cos theta plus 5 sin theta minus pi by 6 for any real value of theta is. Simple question. What we need to do it? We simply have to rewrite it as a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c, so that we can say the maximum value is root a square plus b square plus c. Getting my point? So we need to expand this term. When you expand sin a minus b, you get sin theta cos pi by 6 minus cos theta sin pi by 6. So on simplification, you observe this is cos theta multiplied with 3, and on expansion of this term you are getting sin theta into cos pi by 6, that is root 3 by 2, minus cos theta into half. So the overall coefficient of cos theta is 3 minus 5 by 2. So just write down 3 minus 5 by 2 into cos theta plus coefficient of sin theta is root 3 by 2 into 5, that is 5 root 3 by 2 is the coefficient for sin theta. Now maximum value of it, so maximum value is simply obtained as square root of a square plus b square, that is root of, this is simply half, 1 by 4 plus 25 3s are 75, 75 by 4, or root 76 by 4, giving me root 19 as the maximum value for it. So we can see the correct answer. Yes, option 2 is the correct answer for the given question. So let's mark and mention it. Let's move on to the second question of this paper. A ratio of fifth term from the beginning to the fifth term from the end in the binomial expansion of this one is. So let's start it. We can write fifth term from the beginning to fifth term from the end, right? Meaning T11 minus 5 plus 1, that is simply you are talking about T5, fifth term from the beginning and fifth term from the end. So this gives you 10C4 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 6 into 1 upon 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 4. That is the part in numerator, divided by, let's write down the denominator term, 10C6 into why 6, because you have T12 minus 5, that is T7, T7 that is 10C6 multiplied with 2 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 4 into 1 upon 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 6. So this is the term. We need to simplify it. We can clearly see 10C4 and 10C6 are cancelled with each other, right? So what we are left with, let's simplify. This gives us 2 raised to the power 1 by 3 to the power 6, and here we have power 4. So finally we have 2 raised to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 2. Let's write down 2 to the power 2 by 3 into. Now we can see 4 here, 6 here, so we are left with 2 power here. This denominator will go into numerator, so we have 2 square into 3 to the power 2 by 3. That means you can say 4 into 36 raised to the power 1 by 3 is the result. Now you are looking for ratio, meaning is to 1. So let's check out the correct answer. 4 into 36 raised to the power 1 by 3 is to 1, as we obtained here the required ratio. Correct? So this is our correct answer, that is option number 4. I am sure this question is clear to you all. Let's move on to the third question of this paper. Let f and g be continuous functions on interval 0 to a such that fx equals f of a minus x and gx plus g of a minus x is equal to 4. A simple question. We have to find 0 to a fx gx dx. Let's begin with it. I equals integral 0 to a fx gx dx. On applying upper limit minus x property, This is 0 to a f of a minus x g of a minus x dx. On adding these two equations, 2I equals 0 to a, f of a minus x is simply fx. So, we have fx common into gx plus g of a minus x into dx. Now, gx plus g of a minus x is simply 4. So, you are left here I equals 2 times integral 0 to a fx dx. So, let us see the correct option, 2 times integral 0 to a fx dx, that is option number 4. So, let us mark and mention it as the correct answer. I am sure this question is clear. Let us move on to the fourth question of this paper.